Hi, welcome to the check writing template overview. So this template will help you keep track of your check related payments and ensure that you make your payments on time. So if you see over here, we have got a check some status section on the top, which shows the status of each of the checks. So we have the cancelled, outstanding, paid checks and on hold checks. So these indicate the check number, the check amount, the check date, and the pay details to which the check is to be paid. And if you see on the bottom, we have the transactions window where you can add a check quickly and you can add a pay detail as well. And on the right side, we have the transaction section where we can see the check details, which comprise of the check number, the check date, the pay details. So once you click on this, you will be able to select the pay, what you have added in the pay details. Then it automatically populates the mailing address from the pay details database. And then we have the bank account, the total amount of the check, the payment date of the check, and memo and any attachments that you've got. And finally, you can also update the check status from here. So once you click on this, you have the different status. You can also change the status as per your requirement by clicking on this three dot and putting the name of the status over here. Once you do this, you will be automatically able to update this check status area on the top, so you can get a quick overview of what the check details are. And on the right also we have the pay details, so you can add the pay details over here along with the mailing address, put the account number, and also add other details whatever you wish to add by clicking on this plus over here. So this will quickly help you to put all your check related payments in one glance, and you can understand what is happening with the check payments. I hope this explanation was clear. If you need any more explanation in this, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this. Thank you.